Hey guys! So today's video is September Ipsy Unbagging, and let's get into it. It's been so long I literally don't remember what's in it. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is the bag. It's like constellations, and this is so cute. The zipper, it's like that gem thing. And that's pretty. The first thing I pull out is something. I have no idea what it is. I think it's blush. Let's see. Ofra blush. All we need is Ofra Madison Miller. So that's how it is. It's a nice everyday type of shade, I'd say. I have the Ofra, I think it's Ofra. The same packaging they had highlighter I got before, and that highlight is poppin', so I'm hoping this is really nice too. I might use it later. Very nice. Second thing I pulled out is coconut water cream. I really don't care about like these type of creams, just like I don't know, I don't really use them. They're tiny and I don't see the point in them. So coconut water cream helps hydrate, smooth, and recharge by Hello Fab. Coconutty. I feel like I'm just like really sick of coconut since I have a lot of coconut things. I don't know. Next we pull out, ooh, this is something I remember I was excited for. Benefit Gimme Brow Plus Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. So excited. It's gonna be tiny, but I've wanted to buy this and it's just expensive. So, Gimme Brow, at least I can try it out, see if I like it. This is so cute. So tiny. That is so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. That's something I like. Next I pull out, ooh, Sundays. 10 free, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. This is what? What is this, Sunday? Nail polish? I'm not. Ooh, this is such a pretty shade. I was gonna do my nails tomorrow before school anyway, woo! Because I got rid of my acrylics, and this is such a fall shade. Super excited, and I've never gotten this brand from Ipsy before, so it's cool. It's called number 35. Ooh, pretty. And last item, what do we have? Eyeshadow Champagne Life. Yes, I love eyeshadows. Okay. Let's see. Wrong side. Come on, darling. Okay, wrong side maybe. Ooh, wow. Color Rain. It is completely champagne. Surprise, surprise. Seems very highlighty. Ooh. Actually, let's put it there. Wow, look at that sparkle. That is so pretty. I like it. And I think that was 5 of my products. This month was Find Your Light. And now I'm going to rate them out of 5 because that's what Ipsy makes you do. The bag, I like it. Give it like a 4 out of 5. It just feels flimsy, but whatever. I like it. And then next we had 1 out of 5 for the cream. I just don't care for creams, to be honest. And yeah, the blush, 5 out of 5. I like blushes. This is cool. It's a good shade. Brow gel thing, 5 out of 5. I've been wanting to try it, and it's a brand I like. And then also 5 out of 5 for nail polish. It's a shade I haven't gotten and a company I haven't gotten before, and conveniently wanted it right now, and I don't have this shade, so yay. And then lastly, eyeshadow, 5. I gave 4 out of 5. It's because I love eyeshadows and everything, but this is just like, I guess I wanted like a different shade, but it's still good. Overall, very good Ipsy bag, and yeah, I do these every month just for fun because I'm subscribed to them. And if you guys like it, make sure you guys like, comment stuff below, subscribe. Bye guys.